What's up, guys? Luxide here on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Here at the ClearCryptos YouTube channel, we talk a lot about the growth and adoption of crypto, and it looks like the world thinks the same thing is coming. So I want to go ahead and talk about this. But before I do, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell again. That way you'll get notified anytime our content is live for your viewing pleasure. So this article says that more than 500 million new consumers might buy crypto by 2030. So as we know, right now, there's about 4% of the world population that is currently involved in crypto in one way, shape, or form. So based on the world population, that's about 320 million people. Okay. So this thinks that, crypto adoption would grow by 140% in the next 8 years. Okay, which is, very good growth. So according to a report shared by economist and macro analyst Alex Kruger, 500 million more investors are going to enter the financial market by 2030. The group of new high and middle income consumers might become a new source of growth for the cryptocurrency market. So the data provided in the report suggests that the new layer of consumers will grow in Asian and African regions. So it does go on to say that it's primarily dominated right now by Europe and America, and Asia is starting to catch up. And one of the things, obviously, that is really helping crypto grow in all these places is obviously crypto spending, which I like to talk about. You're starting to see more and more people acquire cryptocurrency for the ability to transact freely. Okay, because obviously that is what crypto was originally invented for, was as a peer-to-peer digital currency. Now, 500 million is a lot of people. So, we're going to see a very large amount of growth. And, depending on what other forms of technology come out over time, we may see that grow even faster still. Now, keep in mind, it's not just a straight line. Okay, there's going to be times where it's slower. There's going to be times where it's faster. We're going to see times where it's cooling down, like in these bear markets, like we are now, where adoption is slow. And then we'll see times where it's just rip roaring and there's new blockchain technology out and everybody's just getting involved in one way, shape, or form. Now, they did go on and say, too, that by 2040, analysts expect another 500 million increase in the number of consumers from the aforementioned regions. Unfortunately, it's hard to predict what's going to happen in the cryptocurrency market, considering its volatility and adolescence. And like I said, crypto, we're all still so early in crypto. Like it's not even funny. I mean, crypto is so far in its infancy. I mean, just over the last few years, there's been so many developments and use case changes for crypto. It's honestly astonishing. And, seeing as there's been, more technological advancements in the last 5 years than there was in the prior 20, just goes to show you how fast blockchain technology and crypto in general could be adopted for other uses. So this is very interesting to see. We know that adoption is coming, and it's coming faster than a lot of us think. So I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you guys got something positive out of the video, please go ahead, hit that like button. Again, that lets us know that you're enjoying the content that we're putting out. And again, if you haven't already, go ahead, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. Again, you'll get notifications anytime our content is live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I really hope to see you guys in